Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and do a summer pink makeup look and hair tutorial. Before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Give this a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I'm so excited for summer. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. So since this is a summer makeup look, I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I use this all the time, and I'm using this in the color Barcelona. I'm going to be using this darker color. I actually usually do like a self-tan, and I don't have it on right now. It's pretty much faded off, so I'm still going to use this just for the look. So if you can tell that something's like not matching with my body and my face, let's just pretend that I'm tan. And then I always just kind of put little dots on my face. And then you can't forget your neck. You always need to make sure you're putting your foundation on your neck, because your neck is pretty much part of your face and it all needs to match and blend in. And then I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend everything in. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass concealer in the color Biscay. I feel like I use this I feel like I use all the makeup products that I'm gonna show you guys in all my videos, because I just feel like I'm that type of person where I just like have a routine and I don't really like change. So once I find like a product that I love, I just stick to it, and I feel like I never want to change anything. Like with mascara, I haven't changed that in forever. Like I've been using that for years and years and years. I try not to put that much because, like I mentioned, it is pretty pigmented, and I feel like a little goes a long way. And sometimes it could be just like way too much. And I feel like too much can end up being like cakey looking. And we obviously don't want that. I'm just gonna blend everything in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector. And this is in the color Neutralizer. And I'm just gonna go in the inner parts of my under eyes just to kind of brighten it up. Now we're gonna go in with our bronzer. I usually would do like the liquid contour first all over my face, but I've been into just kind of using like the powder bronzer, a more natural bronze in my opinion. So I'm gonna take this Essence Matte Bronze Powder palette, and I like to go in with this like more lighter color shade, and I'm just gonna bronze my face. I feel like it just looks so pretty. Sometimes we just need that like natural bronze. And especially for summer, wearing a lot of makeup is just not fun and can be really uncomfortable. So I think powder, in my opinion, is just so much better because the liquid is just sticky and just not very comfy. And look, we look pretty bronzed, like a natural bronzed, and I love it. It looks really nice. So now I'm gonna go in with the Airspun translucent powder. So everywhere where we highlighted, concealed, which is like the inner face area, I zoomed you guys in so you guys can see a close-up of my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics BFF palette by Alondra and Elsie. I'm obsessed with this palette. I feel like I've been using this for like the past 2 videos. And I'm just going to do like a pink makeup look just to match my pink outfit. I'm going to go in with the BFF color right here. And I'm just going to put this right here on like above the crease area. I cannot believe that it's summer already. Like summer is here, right around the corner. And I'm so excited because I love summer because of the outfits and everything. Like you don't have to wear a jacket or a sweater or anything to cover up your outfit. Like if anybody can agree with me, that's like one of my favorite parts. Because it's like you pick out an outfit when you're going out, and then when it's cold you just have to put a jacket or a sweater over it, and who wants to do that, you know? But I will say that summer is not my favorite season. I love fall, and it's kind of weird because I know I just said outfits, but I love dressing up in the fall. I just feel like the outfits are like way cuter than summer outfits. But then again, it's like you're always having to wear like a jacket and a sweater. So that's what I don't really like about it. But I just feel like the outfits are like way cuter. The vibe is just the best thing ever. And just being like at home and cozy, like watching Netflix and just kind of chilling at home is like the best thing ever, in my opinion. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Scorpio, which is right here. And I'm gonna put this on like the outer end, and I'm gonna dab that in. We are definitely gonna blend this. So I'm just gonna blend this outwards. So it kind of has like that like cat eye look to it in a way, but I'm kind of going in circles, and then I'm blending it in the crease of my lid. And you really have to have patience with this because you need to blend so much so that it just looks blended and not super like patchy. The camera turned off, but I went in with the Blessed color right here. It's this really pretty pink, like pretty sparkly color, and I just put that on the inner corner of my lid. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go back in with this brush, and I'm going to go in with the color BFF again, and I'm just going to kind of blend everything in together. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. And I'm going to do this off camera because it's just really hard for me to do on camera. I just finished my eyebrows, so now I'm going to go in with the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I use this all the time. And I'm going to go in with the Pink Moon. And it's like this super light pink. And I like to kind of just dab that under my eyes just to kind of brighten it. It's super light, so you can't really see it. And now I'm going to go in with the Stargaze color right here. And I'm going to put this on my cheeks. I love blush. I feel like it just like sets the whole look, it brightens it, it puts everything together. And I just love putting it everywhere. So I put it on my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Then now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Feels so good on my skin. And then I'm going to go in with the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter palette. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. You have 4 different options, and I'm just gonna go in with this right here, and then I'm gonna go in with this top shade right here, just a little bit, so mixing the two. And I'm just gonna highlight my face. Now I'm gonna do my lashes, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Black Mascara. So now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just gonna put some chapstick on. I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Colors Shyla lip liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Jenner Candy K liquid lipstick. I think I grabbed the old one and I'm like running out, so I don't know. Yeah, there's like nothing on here. Okay, so I can't find my newer Candy K lipstick and that one's running out. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Nude Lipstick. This is what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna dab it in, and these are the lips. So I just finished my makeup. I might add some lashes at the end. Go ahead and start with my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Bedhead Wave curler. This is what it looks like. And these are just gonna give you like really pretty beach waves. I feel like that's perfect for summer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair. So I separated my hair into 2, and then now I'm just gonna grab like a little piece, maybe a little less than this. I'm gonna grab like this much hair, and then I'm gonna grab the waver, and I'm just gonna push this down. And then you're gonna hold it there for a few seconds. This does kind of hurt your arm, so you need to be really patient with this because you have to go down every single part of your hair, which can be very time consuming, but it comes out really pretty. And then I like to put it on high heat so that you don't have to be waiting there forever. So this is the first piece. And I'm just gonna keep going with my hair. I guess depending on how thick or thin you want the curl to be, that's how much hair you should be grabbing. It obviously won't take too much hair, but you can probably go a little more than what I'm doing. This is what it looks like so far. It's so pretty. So now I'm just going to continue my entire hair, and then I will show you guys the end result. I just finished my hair. I forgot how much that hurts. Like, your hand at the end is going to hurt a little bit because you're just like pushing down. I'm just going to go in with some hairspray, and I'm just going to spray my hair. And I'm going to do this all around my hair so that they can stay in place. And it'll also make it look like beach waves because it's gonna kind of have like that like wet look in a way. You add some hairspray to it. So this is the finished look. This is what it looks like. It just has like this really pretty like beach wave curls. And I love it, especially for summer. And then now I kind of want to try that, like, I feel like it's been like a trend lately. You kind of just braid the two front parts of your hair. I just realized that I don't think I have any like little hair ties. I feel like this is such like back when I was like younger, and it's so funny that like trends like this just come back in style. It ends up looking so cute now because we kind of mix in like our style now into back then style, which is just crazy that it just starts trending again. Like, who would have known? This is the final look. I'm wearing the Lily lashes in the style Paris. This is what they look like. I honestly love how this whole look came out. I feel like it's perfect for summer. Let me just show you guys a close-up. I'm just gonna give you guys the entire look. My outfit is from Fashion Nova. If you haven't seen my try-on haul, that I will link it down below. I think it would be so cute with this white bag right here, and I got this from Shein. I'll make sure to link my outfit details and everything down below as well. But I think this would look so cute just to throw on. And then just these little lounge shorts. They have pockets. And then obviously the top has like the sun and moon, and it's tie-dye, pink tie-dye. I just think it's like such a cute summer outfit. Like, look at this. This is like such a good fit. And the hair and everything, the makeup, like everything just looks so good. Okay guys, that is it for this makeup and hair summer tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this a big thumbs up if you liked it. Click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram so we can be friends. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below on what you want to see next from me, and I will see you guys in my next video.